of inspiration for all of us, a person who has been inspiring us, guiding us through our roles from time to time. He has been a meritorious army officer, ex-cabinet minister in the Ministry of Haryana State Government. He's been a constant, I would say, force behind all the institutions which are under Sindhu Education Foundation, which is truly a foundation which is working for providing the children with best of the education in different institutions which are spread over Haryana and Chhattisgarh. We are truly privileged to be there in these institutions, and we are serving the children. We are trying to provide them with quality education and preparing them for life. In today's occasion, when we celebrate Teachers' Day, I would like to first of all wish everyone a very happy Teachers' Day. The teachers of Delhi Public School Durg and teachers of Delhi Public School Bilaspur, everybody of you is so very special because you are influencing the lives of the children in one way or the other. In this celebration today, we are really privileged to have Captain Sir, along with him our Pro Vice Chairman, Shri Vivek Verma Sir, and Principal Delhi Public School Bilaspur, Shri Jaspal Sir, and we do have with us Principal of Indus Public School Korba, Dr. Sanjay Gupta Sir. So I would like to welcome all these dignitaries, all the teachers, all the parents, and the children, those who are listening to us right now. Why is a teacher so very special? We need to understand. In our prehistoric times, or when we talk about the Vedic times, it has always been a kind of a level, I would say, which has been given to a teacher, which has not been given to anybody else. We believe in the philosophy wherein we recite shlokas like Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. So when we think of a teacher is a role model, a teacher is a guide, a teacher is a parent away from home, a teacher is the person who will think of the betterment of the children before anything else, and would always feel honored when it comes to seeing the progress of the children in various walks of life. So we can say that all of us sitting here, we all are a product of the experiences that we had when we were there in our schools. Because the main part of the learning which we enjoy throughout our life, which makes the basis of our successful career, is primarily the school days. So the school days are the best days wherein our attitudes, our potential, and I would say each and every attribute of our personality is in a way groomed, and we are given shape. So I would say that as a result of all the experiences that we had, we are able to go ahead with our lives in a successful manner, and we are trying to run the educational institutions by keeping one motive in our mind, that each and every student who passes out of our institutions shall be confident, shall be knowledgeable, shall be the one who has moral values, shall be the one who has the national character, shall be the one who shall be in every way a role model for the generations yet to come. So keeping all these great ideals in mind and the kind of heritage that India has, the Guru Shishya Parampara, in which a guru used to be the one who could, mend your personality in many ways, influence you, guide you, be tough to you sometimes, love you like your parents, and whatnot. So keeping all these things in mind, we are here celebrating this Teachers' Day amongst the pandemic COVID-19, which has somehow made us sit in different corners, not in a group together, But at the same time, I'm an optimist by nature, and I feel that this has given us an opportunity, both the families, DPS Bilaspur and DPS Durg, to have Captain Sir together in a function and see him, listen to him, and get his guidance. So we take it as a very positive thing also that we are here in a group wherein both the schools and our principal from Indus School Korba is with us, and we are going to have a combined session which is truly going to be inspiring for everyone. This pandemic times have somehow given us some challenges, but under the flagship of our management, under the able guidance of our Pro-Vice Chairman Sir, from time to time, the classes which were virtually conducted, they could be conducted very effectively. We could go ahead with examination of the children. We could go ahead with the PTMs. We could create a kind of atmosphere wherein we made our parents to believe that virtual is the new real. And keeping these situations in mind, both the schools, as I'm continuously in touch with my colleague, Mr. Jaspal in Bilaspur also, both the schools are trying to put their best foot forward and give the children the kind of education they really deserve. So without giving a long lecture out here, because we are here to get inspiration and get the motivation from Captain Sir, I would be going ahead with the program. And while going ahead with the program, I would once again say that the strength of the schools are the teachers. And teachers, your role is so very important that each and every action of yours is very minutely, seen, observed, and followed by the children. So make it a point that you have all those traits in your personality that you may guide the children. They may see to you as a role model. They may get inspiration from you, and you may change their lives, because there are few children in your lives when you are teaching them. Out of the thousands of children, those who go out of the schools, there are few, those who have that impact, and they keep remembering you later in their lives that so-and-so teacher used to teach me. And these things have been learnt by me when I was there in school. So keeping all these things in mind, try to see that we are the way we must be, and we should be strong with our character. We should be having all those values in us which can be seen and somehow followed by the children, and they can somehow be the way they are expected to be by their parents. So at the same time, I would once want to say to the parents out here that your children are in safe hands. We are trying to put in our heart and soul into each and every activity that we do, and our management is so very forward looking and positive that there is not even a single positive projection given by us turned down by the management. And we are trying to give your children best of the education. We are trying to give them a kind of grooming which you will be proud of, which we will be proud of as a school, and the country will be proud of, as they are going to be the future citizens. So with these words, I would like to proceed ahead with the program. We have with us a student from DPS Durg, Purva Swami. She will be presenting a Guru Vandana, and after Guru Vandana, we would be proceeding ahead with the program. So Purva Swami, Guru Vandana, we can all pay attention to the presentation of this girl virtually. There may be some flaws when we talk about technology and connecting people from far off places, but still the efforts of the children will be seen in whatever they'll be presenting. So over to Purva Swami for the presentation. And this little girl, she has gone to a temple at this point of time, and she's going to present this beautiful Guru Vandana from that temple only. Purva Swami. So that was a mesmerizing performance by this performer, and it was a correct start, I believe, to the day. And now I would request the Honorable Chairman, Sindhu Education Foundation, Captain Abhimanyu Sindhu sir, to kindly bless everyone. And sir, your guidance is going to show us the path ahead, and we'll certainly try to come up to your expectations. Captain Abhimanyu Sindhu sir.
Very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Very respected Mr. Vivek Verma ji, Pro Vice Chairman, DPS Durg and DPS Bilaspur. Mr. Yashpal Sharma ji, Principal DPS Durg. Mr. Jaspal Singh ji, Principal DPS Bilaspur. And Dr. Sanjay Gupta ji, Principal Indus Public School, Korba. All the very, very respected and honorable of the day and the beneficiary of all, and the future, my very, very dear students of Delhi Public School, Durg and Bilaspur. It is indeed a matter of honor and pride for me today, despite being in quarantine, in self-quarantine, that I am able to speak to you thanks to Corona in a way, in a virtual mode. But at least as Principal Mr. Yashpal Sharma said, that virtual is the new real, virtual is the new normal. Today, 5th of September, is a very important, significant day in the annual calendar of any institution in India, particularly. We very fondly remember Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji, former President of India, recipient of Bharat Ratna and various international awards, a very renowned and acclaimed academic personality in his own right, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji. He epitomized what a great teacher should be. Today, we remember him very fondly. We pay our respect, we pay our regards, and we celebrate the teachers. And this day came to be celebrated as Teachers' Day when once he was respected or his birthday was celebrated. He said, my birthday will be celebrated if on this day all the teachers and gurus of the world, the entire community is respected and regarded. That was the beginning of the idea of celebrating 5th September as the Teachers' Day. I convey my good wishes, my greetings to all the teachers of our institutions today. I can see some of those old teachers who I've worked personally with, and I'm very glad to meet with you all today. Let it be even virtual only. Look forward to see you all real and physical very soon. Coming back to the concept of this day, which Mr. Yashpal Sharma ji has very well laid out as far as the topic of the day is concerned, I'm very glad to see that our little daughter, our little dear student Purvi, went to the temple and to perform a dance respecting the Guru or praying the Guru as such. Mr. Yashpal Sharma had already said that Guru is even bigger than Brahma, Vishnu or Mahesh. Guru is Par Brahma. Sant Kabir also said, Guru Govind Dau Khade, Kage Lago Paye, Balihari Guru Aapne, Govind Diyo Milaye. It is the Guru Shishya Parampara. It is the relationship of the student, the disciple with the teacher, which is the most important relationship of all after the parents, the mother and the father. Because the mother and the father, they give birth, they take care of the child, but it is the teacher who prepares the child for the life. It is the teacher who lays the foundation of learning, who provides the information, who translates it into knowledge, and who allows it to be converted into wisdom with the experimental and experiential learning which the teacher can offer to a student. Today is the day when the students, they think, they remember their teachers, they greet their teachers, they express their indebtedness to the teachers for all that they have done for them. There can be many days during the year where the teacher must have taken the students to task, must have tried to remind them when it was tired. And I'm sure the teachers also must have loved and showed due affection when it was required. In these COVID times particularly, I can see that how much work the teachers are putting in, keeping the fire of education on, keeping it ignited for their pupils, for their students. I can very well understand how difficult it is for the teachers to arrange in their own homes, with the background of a classroom, and in that homely and domestic environment, bringing that mindset of a teacher on, very and cap teacher, and then taking the whole class online, while discharging the responsibilities, additional responsibilities at home to take care of their own children, their own members. The teachers have left no stone unturned in preparing for the class, in preparing for the assignments, in preparing for the projects, and also in preparing for the tests and examinations. It is certainly a commendable job being done by the teachers. It has not been easy. These are not the easy times for the whole mankind, for the whole humanity. In my memory, or perhaps if we can say in the known history, in last 100 years, these are the toughest times the humanity has to deal with. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. As we were taught in the army, mushkil waqt commando sak, that if the going is tougher, we are not going to be subdued by it. We will overcome these circumstances. And I'm glad that these principal, staff members, and every other teaching and non-teaching faculty have contributed a lot in continuing with the education, in continuing with the academic flow. And I call upon the students to make the most of it. Your continuity of education is of paramount importance for all of us. Your learning is very important. There must not be a gap of even a day. We cannot allow this 2020 or even part of 2021 to be a gap in the education, in your education, in your life. We cannot allow that to happen. And every effort has to be made, must be made, will be made to make sure that there is no gap in the learning. This generation must not ever feel 20 years from now that they had a gap year, or probably they had a reduced syllabus, or probably they could have learned something more. We cannot allow that to happen. They are reinventing themselves, they're rediscovering themselves. The online classes modules are prepared. The teachers are making the required sacrifice on their part. Any piece of cooperation that was desired or required, I must convey on behalf of the management my sense of deep gratitude towards all the teachers. That I know that you have been part of this tough times and very supportive in the journey. As I call upon the students to make the most of all the effort that the teachers are doing, I also call upon the parents to make sure that the students, they make most use of the effort of the teachers while attending the online classes, doing their homework, doing their assignments, making their projects, appearing for the tests, and also participating in the exams as soon as they come. We will follow the academic calendar as religiously as possible. On this day, there can't be a better day than this to make our resolves even more stronger as representing the teaching community. To make sure that the learning and education of the pupils continue. We make a resolution once again, and we will surely discharge it to the best of our abilities. My respected teachers, today is the day, I'm sure, when you seek that your students come in on honor. The community as such has a good value of the society. I'm sure today is the day when you're also thinking of your own teachers. I am also thinking of my own teachers. Every teacher who has taught me from nursery till this day, because a man is always, and I still am a student in my life. This is the most important value that the teacher instills in a child, is that be the student forever till the last day of one's life. As they say, शिष्य भाव, सिख भाव, सीखने का भाव, वह इंसान में बना रहना चाहिए. I always believe in our institutions, this is the philosophy, that the most important value system that we wish to teach our students is the value of humanity, the value of being a good human being, the value of universal brotherhood, value of one mankind, crisscrossing all sorts of fissures and divisions the society tries to bring in. The very meaning of education is unshackling oneself from all kind of bonds, from all kind of limitations, from all kinds of divisions and fissures, evolving one's personality as a divine personality, as a godly personality, is the purpose of being born in a human life. I call upon all the teachers to remember while teaching the subject. I call upon all the students to keep in mind while learning every subject, that the knowledge of subject is certainly important, but what will hold you stronger in your life will be the true values of a good human being, brotherhood, and that requires the peaceful coexistence, that requires the following of non-violence as taught by Mahatma Gandhi to us. Our old philosophy has always taught us, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Sarvapanta Sambhav, that the whole world is one. And to end my discussion with you today, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan also was a great student and philosopher of the Indian way of life. And he has mentioned that the true teaching of Indian philosophy is to connect with the supreme, the ultimate guru, the final teacher. So today, paying my respect to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ji and to all teachers who have taught me personally, all your teachers and gurus in life. The teachers does not mean only the one who has taught you in the classroom. The teacher can be a person, your family driver who has taught you driving a car. The teacher can be a cook in your homes who has taught you cooking. The teacher can be anyone on the road who has given you some lesson. Even some of those people who have given you tough lessons. Even some of those people, they intentionally or unintentionally have made you wiser. You can always treat them as teachers and gurus. Hence, look for coaches and teachers and gurus in life. The literal meaning of guru is gravity. We all know the gravity means gurutva. Gravitational pull means gurutva karshan. Gravity is the biggest force of the nature. Keeps the whole ecosystem living. And this gravity, this gurutva, is something we all respect today. We respect always, we respect forever. Wishing a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and all the students. I hereby conclude my statement, and I thank all the principals, the staff members, the non-teaching staff members, and students who worked hard to celebrate this day and will continue with this celebration. Once again, wishing you a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
It's been pleasure listening to you, and I would say that all the children and all the teachers, they must have got a kind of insight, because whatever we are because of our education only. So that speaks volumes of the kind of learning you've made throughout your studies and then the career ahead, sir. Thank you so very much, and we will certainly try to come up to your expectations, and will not leave any stone unturned. And as you have given account of the life of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, which has been an inspiration, and being president also, he thought that his birthday should be celebrated as Teachers' Day. Another president, a very great soul, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he also was a true teacher, and we remember him on this day today. And he also once in one of his speeches over Teachers' Day said that each and every child is unique. So when each and every child is unique, we cannot have a generalized way of teaching them, guiding them, or shaping them. So there has to be a little customization of our basic skills as per the need and the personality of the child. So such great gurus have been there in India, and we are really fortunate to be a part of this country. As we are born Indians, we are so very proud. So I would now move ahead with the flow of the program. So we have a musical performance, which is instrumental musical performance by the students of DPS Durg. So this performance would be there with everyone. We'll all enjoy it, and thereafter we have a flow of different things which will be done by Durg as well as Bilaspur students. So over to the orchestra group. So it was an effort by the children. While sitting at home, they've done these bits and the pieces of music and which were put together for the sake of giving the orchestra feel out here. So we would be, yes, sir, Captain, sir, you want to say something, sir?
No.
Sir. So we would proceed ahead.
Very good.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. So now we have the head boy of DPS Durg with his message, Mridul S. Pillai. So he'll be giving his message today on Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all dignitaries, principal sir, and esteemed teacher. God created unique and honorable people who nurture, guide, and groom children to their best. They came to be known as teachers. 5th of September every year is celebrated as Teachers' Day, a day to honor teachers all over who work relentlessly to make sure that the future is bright for all their students. 5th of September also happens to be the birthday of one of the finest teachers, the first Vice President and second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. You may note that even under hard-pressed circumstances of COVID-19 pandemic, teachers remain dedicated and undeterred to continue with fortitude in their cause of teaching. They resolve to learn and adapt themselves instantly to the virtual way of teaching, combating all the odds, multitasking and focusing on imparting knowledge, and ensuring only the benefits of their students. With this, I would like to end my speech by quoting Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who once said, "Creativity is the key to success in future, and education is where teachers can bring creativity in students at that level." With this thought, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thanks, Mridul, for a brief and a very sweet message. We've tried to keep things a little short because of these various reasons. Sometimes buffering is there and some problem is there. So now we'll be moving ahead. We'll try to show a glimpse of Chhattisgarhiya culture there will be a Chhattisgarhi dance presented by Pranshi Chaube. Pranshi Chaube, please. So wonderful performance. Actually, this sometimes there are technical hitches. We did have some buffering or connection kind of a problem, I believe. So we would wish to go ahead in a flow now. The head girl of DPS Bilaspur, Arushi Singhal, will be giving her message on Teachers' Day now. Over to Arushi.
Thank you, sir. A teacher takes our hand, opens our mind, and touches several hearts. Words are not enough to summarize a teacher. From the very beginning of a child's journey into life, a teacher takes upon the role of molding it. A very good morning to all the honorable guests and the star of the day, our teachers. I, Arushi Singhal, the head girl of Delhi Public School Bilaspur, on behalf of all the students, would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. I truly believe that a teacher's beauty is different yet vibrant. They will scold you, but they will always be standing right behind you, pushing you to achieve your dreams. They spend hours and hours to make that perfect lecture and sacrifice their own holidays to make our day enjoyable. I can't even count the number of memories my teachers have gifted me and my fellow companions from the very start. They have given wings to my dreams, and it is their belief that have shaped me to what I am today. Today, I have the courage to stand in the crowd of hundreds and not be shoved down because of the dynamic support my teachers have shown me. Today, even in the time of such crisis, they continue to be the pillar of strength, knowledge, and wisdom as they continue to teach us. What more can be said for a person who holds such a high and supreme place in the hearts of many? Except that thank you. Thank you for always being there, for doing so much hard work, for so many years, so selflessly, and creating the future of this country. Thank you.
So Arushi, thank you so much for a sweet and very nice message on Teachers' Day. And we teachers really feel proud when our children, they express their gratitude in return of the efforts that are made by the teachers. So now we have our next performer, a small little performer, I would say. Her name is Vidhi Tavri. She will be giving a dance performance. And Vidhi Tavri is a student of DPS Bilaspur. So Vidhi, your performance, we are eagerly waiting for.
ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Wonderful performance by this small little, I would say, source of energy. She has really filled everyone with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. So now we are here with our head girl of DPS Durg, Ira Verma, with her message on Teachers' Day. Ira, please.
Good morning to all our dignitaries, respected principals and esteemed teachers. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India. 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Apart from being a successful leader, as the president of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. The light in the world, a beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. A teacher is the one who dedicates his entire life in showing us knowledge and the right path. They encourage students to understand themselves and the importance of dedicating themselves to their targeted passion and endeavor single-mindedly towards their goals. It has been and will be one of our fondest and finest memories to celebrate Teachers' Day. Normally, this is a grand and magnificent festivity in the school. On this day, we express our gratitude and respect to our mentors who selflessly work towards the future of their students. As we students progress in life, we tend to forget our past in a bid to keep pace with the future developments. But I assure you that we will never forget our teachers who live in our souls and are etched in our memories till we live. I, on behalf of all DPS Durg students, assure our teachers to always uphold their honor, be fully guided by them, and prove our mettle beyond their expectations as a befitting tribute to our teachers on this day. I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ira. It was very short and crisp, and I think all the teachers have got the message that how much the children care for them. They really have their gratitude in their minds for the teachers. That's really nice to hear. Now, next we have a poem by Khushi Mishra from DPS Bilaspur.
Good
Khushi,
morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Teachers' Day is just a day to make them feel how special are they. The love and respect I have in my heart is because the wonderful teachers they are who holded the torch in the dark and enlightened me with the world so far. Every step that I took was much more hard until my teacher narrated me path. The, path until my teacher narrated me the path. The thankful words look so small when it comes to thank a teacher who made me a better person after all. Teachers are the gift of God who make us capable to walk in crowd with the head held high in the proud. Teachers are like Santa Claus who flood us with the knowledge of all. Teachers make the school divine with the kindness of their mind. And thank you all in every kind. Happy Teachers Day to all.
thank you so much, Khushi. It was pleasure having a poem on this Teachers' Day, and that too so very good. So we really appreciate your effort. So now, after Khushi, it comes to a song by Mehak. So I'd request Mehak to go ahead with her song, which is dedicated to the teachers. Yes.
Good morning, everyone present here. Today I'm going to perform a song dedicating to all my honorable teachers. नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, पीते और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्ही से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। थैंक यू।
Wonderful. It was really very nice, and you really sung it very well, Beta. Now the next comes a message by the head boy of DPS Bilaspur. I would call upon Sarthak Mohanty. Yes.
Teachers are like candles. They consume themselves to light the way of their students. Feeling blessed to have such dedicated teachers and great teachers around us who guide us and who enlighten a path of success. Today, I, Sarthak Mohanty, the head boy of DPS Bilaspur, would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. किसी ने सही कहा है, शिक्षक और सड़क कभी खुद नहीं जाते, पर उनके अनुरूप चलने वालों को उनकी मंजिल जरूर पहुंचा देते हैं। You teachers have devoted your everything to make us who we are, confident individuals, to create a path for us from beginners to readers. Today is a day to thank you all. Thank you is a very small word to mention what you all mean to us. All I can say is being a teacher is the most difficult job because the job of a teacher is very difficult. And I must say, ever since I remember, our teachers have never failed to make perfect pots out of tiny clays that have been to this institution. This being our last Teachers' Day as a current student, I can't put it into words how overwhelmed I feel. All I want to say is we had, we have, and we will be forever respecting you and be grateful for his selfless love and support. Thank you. And once again, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Wonderful, beta. Sarthak, you've really given such a beautiful message. We are really thankful. Now we have with us Janvi Khare with a dance performance from BPS Bilaspur. Janvi. Excellent performance, beta. Wonderful. We are truly, we feel honored to have such students in our schools. Excellent performance. So now, after this, we'll have two quick messages. One from Arushi Singh and one from Himani Kaur Matharu. I would request children kindly make it fast. We are a little short of time.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive. A very good morning, one in our present. This is Arushi Singh, a student and the former head girl of the session 2019-2020 Public School Bilaspur, and I'm still not very habitual to saying myself a former student and not a present student, but yeah, here I am. Today, I will shine again because there are two feelings I have today. First, being overwhelmed, I'm blessed. I'm overwhelmed because I'm here again in front of all three faces who are so close to my heart. And I'm blessed and I feel blessed because I'm here again to thank them for this golden opportunity to thank them. Without wasting a lot of time, I just want to say that I can never put into words how much important and integral role have the teachers played in my life. From carving out a school leader in the form of head girl, from a shy girl who was really scared to who has stage fear. Just there's I sit in front of so many people and talk to you, express my views. All this is the credit all goes to my teachers. I can never be more thankful to them. To all my teachers who also I call me today. I would just second parents and they know it. I just want to end up by saying something that I already said once, and I mean it by real my heart that if the story and the stories of Seven Love exist, I truly wish and I pray in every love of mine I get teachers like you. I'm truly blessed for that. Thank you and a happy Teachers Day to all of you.
Thank you, beta. Himani ko. Yeah, beta. Himani, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Albert Einstein once said, "It is the supreme art of teachers to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge." A warm and heartfelt morning to all of you gathered here to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and thank the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. Teachers are the building blocks of life. They act as second parents and never consider us less than their own children while teaching and guiding. As students, we have been sometimes tough to handle, but your love, attention, care, and hard work has helped us learn from our mistakes and grow. So today is the best day for all my friends and me to express how much we love you as students. Thank you, teachers, for being with us as we grow, for providing inspiration and motivation to us whenever we are in need, and also for preparing us to tackle the tough situations in our life with your knowledge and patience. Thank you.
Thanks, beta. Now we will be winding up the program because of certain limitations. I would request my dear friend and fellow colleague, Shri Jaspal Singh Math, to kindly propose a vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Very good morning to the esteemed guest of today's program, Pro Vice Chairman Sir, Yashpal Sir, Sanjay Sir, teachers of DPS Bilaspur and Durg, and my dear students. It's a privilege for me to give the vote of thanks on this Teachers' Day, the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. I am thankful to the chairman of Sindhu Education Foundation, Captain Abhimanyu Sindhuji, for sharing his valuable time with us out of his busy schedule. Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom and blessings. And I promise that we will be leaders in this field. I also take this opportunity to thank our Pro Vice Chairman, Shri Vivek Verma sir, for always guiding us in our journey towards excellence. I am thankful to all the teachers for their effort, hard work, and involvement in making Thanks to the student council members of both the schools and best wishes to them. Thanks to Little Star of DPS Bilaspur Vidita Avri, the other participants for the wonderful presentation, poem recitation and messages for the teachers. Last but not the least, big thanks to the parents of both the DPSs. Special thanks to Meena Madam and her team for beautiful execution of today's live program. Thanks to all once again and a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been a pleasure being there as a single family, DPS, Durg and Bilaspur. And a very honest thing I would put across, that each and every child is a potential. Each and every teacher has tons of experience and knowledge. We do not have dearth of anything. The only thing required is the inner will and desire. If we feel like doing, we can do anything. And anything is possible with the kind of support that we receive from our management, the kind of, I would say, efforts that the teachers make while they are being assigned any of the things to be done. And in today's, this entire, I would say, program, the technical team, the computer department, and everybody has been so very keenly involved, and they really made it possible. Otherwise, connecting and thereafter going ahead with this kind of celebration would be a challenge. So my best wishes to everyone who joined us today, and my regards to all the dignitaries, those who could spare their time. Mr. Jaspal has already given the children the basic idea about the way we are actually trying to put our best of the efforts in place to give the children the best. And with this, we will be ending this program right now. And the teachers of both the schools, we had planned to have a session for both the school teachers after this, but because of some time constraint, we are not able to conduct it. So I would just tell you all that you people are wonderful, and each one of you make these great institutions in one way or the other. So God bless both the institutions, and may each and every child become a kind of a, I would say, ambassador of both these schools and progress ahead in their lives. We would certainly love to have certain performances of the teachers, but because of the time constraint, we have to cut it short and we have to finish it now. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much. Happy Teachers Day, sir.